In this video, we want to solve the surface integral over a vector field where f is xyi plus 3x squared j plus yzk, and this S is surface where z is equal to 2x e to the y, x is between 0 and 4, and y is between 0 and 7. The first step is to parametrize the surface. So that's going to be our r of xy. That's just going to be x comma y comma z, which z in our case is 2x e to the y, where x is between 0 and 4 and y is between 0 and 7. And now we can compute the normal vector. So for the normal vector, we're going to take the partial derivative with respect to x and y to get 1, 0, 2 e to the y, and then 0, 1, 2x e to the y. We're going to compute the cross product. So partial of r with respect to x cross partial of r with respect to y, and end up with negative 2 e to the y, negative 2x e to the y, and 1. Because here 1 is positive, this means that we have an upward orientation. So ds is just going to be negative 2 e to the y, negative 2x e to the y, 1, and then dx dy. So now we can substitute into f. So remember we said z is equal to 2x e to the y. So we can do f of xy. Oops. That's going to be f of x y z is equal to f of xy 2x e to the y, because z is 2x e to the y. And then, we'll substitute that in here because remember it was xy 3x squared yz, but we replace z with 2x e to the y. We multiply that. And then we compute the dot product. So all this is going inside the integral. When you compute the dot product, we end up with negative 6x cubed times e to the y. And so we want to integrate this over the bounds where we said x is between 0 and 4 and y is between 0 and 7. Doesn't matter the order once you do it, but since we said dx first, that's going to go between 0 and 4, and then dy is going to be between 0 and 7. So we integrate first with respect to x. So that's just going to be, because y is going to be a constant, we could just take that outside. And honestly, you could also take the negative 6 outside as well. Okay, so you have negative 6 e to the y times the integral now from 0 to 4 of x cubed dx, which the antiderivative of x cubed is x to the 4th over 4. We'll integrate it over 0 and 4. And so we get 256 over 4, which is just 64. And then we multiply by negative 6 e to the y to get negative 384 e to the y. That's the inside integral. What we just computed is this guy right here. Now we would need to integrate from 0 to 7 of what's left dy. So that's negative 384 e to the y. Integrate that. We still get negative 384 e to the y, but we're going to evaluate it from 0 to 7, and we get our final answer as negative 384 times the quantity e to the 7 minus 1.